In this video, we're going to talk about inserting APA citations in Word and having Word do the majority of the work for us. So you'll see I have kind of a sample citation in Annotated Bibliography, and we're going to just basically focus on how to edit this. So here's my 5 pieces of information you're going to need. The name of all the authors, the title of the article, the year, the name of the journal, and the page numbers. So this is for any type of scholarly peer-reviewed journal. You'll need these pieces of information. So this is going to be our example. So we're going to go to Manage Sources. And you won't have this. This is me already entering the information. So you'll have to go New and type all this in. So for journal articles, that'll start out, and if you go on any one of these little blanks, it will give you an example of what that should look like. And if you have something other like a book or some type of electronic source or something like that, you can just scroll through and it will give you the format of what you need. So anyway, I already have my citation entered, so I'm just going to go to Edit. And the only thing I want to point out is how you have to enter in the author's names. So you need to do first, comma, last, and then if there's more than one author, you have to separate them by a semicolon. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So we're going to hit OK, close, and since we got all this information in, we can go ahead and delete it. Now this next part's a little tricky, so I'm going to click up here. We're going to insert that citation, but to have Word do it, it's going to be a little weird. So we're going to go to Bibliography up here in the references, and it doesn't really matter which one you click. We'll click this one. Now, if you have more than one citation, which you will, you'll have 5 or maybe 6, it's going to insert, every single time you click that, it's going to insert every single one. And we don't want that. We just want one per page. So it's kind of annoying, but if we click in here and go to this button at the top where it says Bibliographies and go to Convert to Static Text, this will allow us to reach in here and pull out what we want. So I'm just going to highlight this citation, or whatever citation you want. And I'm going to copy and paste, so Control-C. Now that's copied. Now, what I would just say is backspace, or Control-Z. So you can backspace or Control-Z. Go ahead and get rid of this. Your citation is still copied. And then you can hit Control-V, or paste, and there I got the citation. So now that you have the citation, you want to make sure you fit the format of an annotated bibliography. So we want the citation to be double spaced, so that's just a matter of highlighting this, going to Home, Paragraph, and then changing this to double, and then click Don't Add Space between paragraphs of the same style. Hit OK. Alright, so that double spaced our citation. We're going to go get rid of the spaces here. And then I'm going to select this, the body of my annotation, go to Paragraph. So this should be single space, so we'll click Single. We don't want spaces in between the paragraph. And you want everything to be indented over so it is under this hanging indent of the citation. So to do that, you want to go here to the left, and the standard indentation is 1/2 inch. So if we click OK, we should see all that change, and we do. And so that's one complete part of your annotated bibliography. So what you're just going to do next is go down here and start all over on the next page. So each annotation will have its own page. All right, that's pretty much it.